out, guys. We are touring the Houmas House wine cellar. This is a random event that I stumbled across. I'm just filming this on my phone.
This is the red wine cellar.
Well, they're not giving us wine in there, are they? It's just a little small wine cellar, and that's it?
It's really cool though, so hey.
Oh yeah, it does have a tasting table.
Wait, are you serious? There we go. Let's go check it out, guys.
So
This
which
is some-
bottle of wine is included in the tour.
This is something I've never even been into, guys. I've seen it briefly, but here we go. Wine, guys. Are you guys wine enthusiasts? Oh, wow. Far out, far out. So this is where they keep all the wine that everyone drinks at Houmas House, and it goes all the way up there. I wonder if this building used to be a garçonniere. And we do have a wine tasting table here. So this is really just a short tour for these guys, I guess, and they just come in here and take a look at it.